Yeah. Studio City mornings. Sun out, eyes red, light moving fast. I went to the doc. He said one thing, pills. Woke up in the valley, got an itch in my eye. Mirror looking back like, man, you barely alive. Sun too bright, phone screen glowing. Too many late nights, my system overloading. So I slid to the clinic in my Studio City hood. Doc took a look and said, yeah, not good. I said, Doc, what I need, some drop, some rest. He reached for the pad, didn't even second guess. He said, take these in the morning, take these at night. Take this if it's itchy, take this if it's tight. I walked out confused with a bag full of thrills. Didn't fix my eye, now I'm juggling pills. Pills in the morning, pills at night. Red one, blue one, which one's right? Trying to fix my body, but I lost my will. I still itching and I'm popping these pills. Maybe I should stretch, maybe drink more water. Maybe go outside, move a little smarter. Less little bottles, more sunshine chills. Laugh more often, forget them pills. Next week back, now my stomach feels strange. Different kind of pain, yeah, the symptoms done changed. Doc said it happens, don't worry my friend. Pulled out another script like it's a new trend. I said, Doc, hold up, I'm already confused. Got 5 little bottles I barely used. He said, trust the process, you'll be okay. But my eyes still itchy at the end of the day. Now I got a schedule looking like a math test. One before meals and another for stress. I'm reading tiny labels with a puzzle face, trying to find my health in a pharmaceutical maze. Pills in the morning, pills at night. Red one, blue one, which one's right? Trying to fix my body, but I lost my will. I still itching and I'm popping these pills. Maybe I should stretch, maybe drink more water. Maybe go outside, move a little smarter. Less little bottles, more sunshine chills. Laugh more often, forget them pills. Then one day I walked past the park in LA. Seen people moving, breathing, starting their day. Stretching in the sunlight, smiles on faces. No pharmacy bags, just natural graces. I joined for a minute, rolled my shoulders back. Deep breath in, felt my chest unpack. Couple weeks later, I was feeling brand new. Eyes cleared up and my stomach did too. Still respect the doc, they help when it's real. But I learned my body also needs to heal. More movement, laughter, water, good food. Turns out wellness comes from your daily mood. Less pills in the morning, less pills at night. More sun, more stretch. Now I'm feeling alright. Doctor got a place. Yeah, I know that's true. But your body's got a voice. Gotta listen to you. So LA, wake up, breathe deep and smile. Move your body every day, even just a while. Good friends, good food, laughter gives thrills. Healthy lifestyle beats a bag full of pills.